Now, Jamaica's men's and women's bobsleigh teams enjoyed an outstanding day on the ice at Lake Placid, capturing 1 gold and 1 bronze medal on the North American circuit. The men's 4-man team of Shane Pitter, Joel Ferron, Junior Harris, and Taekwondo Tracy delivered another impressive performance, claiming gold in the 4-man bobsleigh event. Competing against teams from 11 other nations, pilot Shane Pitter guided Jamaica to a winning time of 1 minute 49.85 seconds, significantly boosting the team's chances of automatic qualification for next month's 25th Winter Olympic Games in Milano Cortina. The United States quartet of Grady Mercer, Quinten Arelo, Hakeem Abdul Sabor, and Bryce Cheek finished second, taking silver in 1 minute 50.37 seconds, just 0.52 seconds behind the Jamaicans. Canada secured the bronze medal with a time of 1 minute 50.29 seconds. In the women's 2-woman bobsleigh, Jamaica's team of pilot Micah Moore and brakewoman Chloe Wiley produced a strong run to claim the bronze medal in 1 minute 55.64 seconds. Gold went to Canada's Bianca Ribby and Brianna McNobb, who posted a winning time of 1 minute 54.56 seconds. Jamaica's second women's team, consisting of Adana Johnson and Audrey Sigree, finished ninth with a time of 1 minute 57.41 seconds. The Winter Olympic Games are scheduled to take place from February 6 to 22, 2026.